At TEC NOVA Europe, technology and craftsmanship come together. In this facility, we design and build next-generation spray booth systems, developed for precision, efficiency, and intelligence. Each PRISMATEC booth is built from modular European components, insulated panels, galvanized steel structures, and intelligent airflow systems. Every part is designed with one goal: to create the perfect coating environment. The heart of each system is TEC NOVA's AI-Edge control. It constantly analyzes temperature, air pressure, and flow to maintain perfect balance inside the booth. The system reacts instantly, optimizing energy use and process stability. Safety is not an accessory. It's built into the core. With thermal vision, infrared sensors, and object recognition, the booth monitors its surroundings and reacts before problems occur. In operation, every movement matters. The precision of airflow, the smooth distribution of paint, and controlled curing temperature define the final quality of the surface. Every PRISMATEC system can connect directly with ERP and MES platforms. It records energy use, maintenance events, and production data, turning the booth into a measurable digital process. TEC NOVA Europe, where intelligent design meets industrial performance.